In this video, I am continuing the second part of 300 and most important questions of June month. Here is the first question. Which country has hosted the virtual global vaccine summit 2020, that is United Kingdom? Next one. Facebook has signed a global licensing deal with which music label of India, that is Sarigama. Sarigama music label of India. Next one. The World Health Organization has conferred the World No Tobacco Day Award 2020 to which NGO of India, that is Seeds NGO. Next one. Who has become the first person of color to be named as a chairperson of BAFTA in its 73 long history? He is Krishnanendu Muzamdar. Next one. Power Ministry RK Singh has formally launched a pan-India real-time market in the electricity which allows consumers to buy power just how much time before delivery? That is 1 hour before. Next one. Which state government has launched the Spandan campaign to contain incidents of suicide and fratricide involving police personnel? That is Chhattisgarh government. Next one. Which state or UT has launched a salary tracker mobile app, that is Mera Vethan, aimed to providing salary related information to government employees, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Next one. Which among the following has decided to set up a payment infrastructure development fund of rupees 500 crore, that is an OBI? Next one. Which among the following has developed a device Sumeru packs that helps wearers of PPE to feel comfortable without sweating, that is DRDO. Next one. What is the theme of the World Environment Day, that is biodiversity of 2020, that is biodiversity. Next one. Team of Archaeological Survey of India, that is ASI, has discovered 1100-year-old Shivalingam in which country during the temple excavation, that is Vietnam country. Next one. Who has become India's new ambassador to the World Trade Organization? He is Brajendra Navneet. Next one. Who has been appointed as senior advisor to World Bank Executive Director by PM Modi led Appointments Committee? He is Rajiv Topno. Next one. Who has been appointed as a goodwill and ambassador to the poor for the United Nations Association for Development and Peace? She is M. Netra. Next one. GOI, that is Government of India, along with AICTE, has launched with online portal that aims to provide internship opportunities to fresh graduates in all urban local bodies and smart cities, that is TULIP. This mainly aims to provide internship opportunities to fresh graduates. Next one. Which among the following organizations has announced to host a Twin Summit in January 2021? That is World Economic Forum. Next question. The government has decided to set up an empowered group of secretaries which will be chaired by Cabinet Secretary. Next one. Name the tropical storm that is formed the southern Gulf of Mexico, that is Cristobal. It is a tropical storm. Next one. The government has announced the urban forest scheme to develop 200 Nagar van across the country in the next how many years? That is 5 years. In next 5 years, it is announcing the Nagar van across the country in the next 5 years. Next one. ESL, in the partnership with US Agency for the International Developments, that is USAID, which program has launched the Health and Energy Efficient Buildings Initiative, that is MAITRE. Next one. Who is only Indian to future on Forbes 2020 list of world's highest paid celebrities. He is Akshay Kumar. Next one. The Power Ministry has launched with initiative on World Environment Day to create a robust and resilient energy system in the future. That is I Commit. Next one. Which country has bagged the right to host the Women's Asian Football Cup 2022? That is India. Next one. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Adidas? That is Manushi Chiller. Next one. India has signed a mutual logistics support agreement with which country? That is Australia country. Next one. Which bank has launched the Summer Treats campaign? That is HDFC Bank. Here I am discussing the important days also for the first week of June. Here I am covering from first week. First one is World Milk Day. That is celebrated on June 1st. The theme of this year 2020 is 20th anniversary of World Milk Day. Next, another day is also celebrated on June 1st, that is Global Day of Parents 2020. The theme for this year is Appreciate all parents throughout the world. Next, International Sex Workers Day 2020 is celebrated on June 2nd. And Telangana Formation Day is also celebrated on June 2nd. Next, World Bicycle Day of 2020 is observed on 3rd June. Next one. 4th June is the International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression. Next, World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. The theme for this year is World Environment is celebrating, that is biodiversity. Next one, June 5th, International Day for Fight Against Illegal, Unreported and Unregulated Fishing, that is celebrated on June 5th. Next, World Food Safety Day is celebrated on June 7th. The theme for this year 2020 is Food Safety, Everyone's Business. Next, Russian Language Day is celebrated on June 6th. Next, I am discussing about obituary. First one is renowned music director Wajid Khan passed away. Veteran lyricist Yogesh Gaur passed away. Veteran lyricist Anwar Sagar passed away. Legendary filmmaker Basu Chatterjee passed away at 90. Former India footballer, that is Eli Dutt, passed away. Next one. Hamsa Koya dies due to COVID-19 in Kerala. Actor Chiranjeevi Sarja passed away recently. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. This is part B. Next I am continuing some more parts of this June month. So please stay tuned with our channel Competition Grid. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.